Hey folks, it's Darren with Rustic Rabbit Woodcrafting Signs. Finally received my Christmas Minion Sign Exchange sign from Eric today. Going to get ready to do the unboxing. So let's get with it. Been looking forward to this. As you all know, Eric received mine a few days ago and unboxed it during the live last night. So, here we go. As always, Eric does an amazing job with packaging things. Got a little note on the back here. As soon as we get it open and unwrapped, I'll read the note. Looks like it's got some very nice texture on the front of it. It says, Darren, hope you like it. Thank you, Eric. Christmas 2020. Get my knife closed up here. Oh wow, this is amazing. I want you to look at this, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Eric. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, guys. As always, another fine product from Eric. Well, everybody, I appreciate those of you that have followed me on my YouTube channel so far. And if you haven't, I invite you to do that as well. Thanks to everybody for your support and encouragement. And a huge thank you to Eric and family for their encouragement, inspiration, and teaching. All right, we'll talk to you later.